Mary Mubaiwa, the former wife of Vice President Chiwenga, now faces severe health struggles after the amputation of her left leg in the right hand. Subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. She is confined to a wheelchair, her condition deteriorating while she remains entangled in a relentless legal battle. Despite her frail health, Chiwenga continues to pursue charges against Mubaiwa for allegedly attempted murder and money laundering. On Monday, Mubaiwa appeared in Harare Magistrate Court in a wheelchair, where her attorney Beatrice Mtetwa filed for a permanent stay of persecution due to her deteriorating condition. Mtetwa argued that continuing with the trial would be unjust given Mubaiwa's health challenges. During previous hearings, former Health and Child Care Deputy Minister Dr. John Mangwiro testified that Chiwenga's health would decline whenever Mary visited him during his hospital stay. According to Dr. Mangwiro, each time Chiwenga was taken out of the country for treatment, he would initially recover, only to deteriorate again when back at home. He claimed that Mary would insist on taking Chiwenga to a hotel instead of a hospital, reportedly saying he wanted to rest, even when advised it was dangerous. Mary Mubaiwa's case highlights a bitter reality. A woman now severely disabled, financially struggling, and physically wasting away is still forced to defend herself in court against accusations from one of the nation's most influential figures. Though now our Chiwenga accused ex-wife softly, but amputation yake yakatangira kugumbo katevera kuruoko. Vanhu vari kuona vachiti kunyange zvavo VP vakarecover and vakamove on, vanoramba vachingoisa macharges on her, achitadza kurelisiwa, achitadza kupiwa matraffic documents ake. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.